Menteri Rangba ke Jela Mekalaya, kondat kesangma ulapan pau ke Cingsuskem, bagamat ïakren ïasuk, bagasengking atiar New Tribe National Liberation Council HNLC kan urlong, wala kindan shwa buon ke jingïatai bagi jingïmer jingmun. Ulaong bagi community ban pendap no igani gamat, tang nakawai ni arli jingelang kalong gay bamla banlong, hendai don kambun ke jingïatai bat kani kadang ya chakmat.
The HNLC issue, as mentioned to all of you from day one, is a process. And therefore, it is very difficult to say that in this meeting this was discussed, in this meeting this was discussed. It's a process that will require a lot of meeting, discussion, coordination. Sometimes we'll be discussing the same points as we move along. So it's a process. So it's very difficult to say that whenever you ask us that, well, what do you discuss on this meeting, or what was the outcome of the meeting? It's a discussion, it's a process. So obviously wherever we get a chance and wherever we get an opportunity, we will discuss the matter. We will take the discussion forward because it's a very complex situation, just like the border issue, where there cannot be a prescribed norm and line saying that, well, this is how we have to move forward. It's a process, and obviously every opportunity we get to discuss the matter and take it forward, we will. But that does not necessarily mean that we will come to a decision or conclusion in every meeting that we move forward. But yes, given the opportunity when we are there meeting the Home Minister, this issue will come up for sure at an unofficial level, and we will try to move forward in the whole process. But as I said, one cannot expect that it will be resolved when we speak on Tuesday over the border issue. Definitely these matters will be discussed because it's an important issue.